Let us discuss how to solve Legendre's equation, which is a differential equation can be reduced to Euler-Cauchy equation. Okay, so we can easily reduce it just by substituting t equal to 2x plus 1. See, the general form is this. Here we have 2x plus 1. Generally, if you look at Legendre's equation, this is how it looks like. Ax plus b whole square into d square y plus some constant, maybe a1 into ax plus b into dy plus a naught into y equal to f of x. So this is the general form of Legendre's equation. Now to solve this equation, what you can do is you can directly take this ax plus by as e power z. In the case of Cauchy-Euler, what do you do? See, the Cauchy-Euler equation looks like this: x square d square y plus some constant into x dy plus a naught into y equal to f of x, right? So to solve Cauchy-Euler, we took x equal to e power z, because before d you have x and before d square x square, but here before d we have ax plus b and here ax plus b whole square. So that is why we are taking ax plus b, sorry, this is not by, so ax plus b equal to e power z. This is what we will take. Okay, and when you take it like this, you know, this dy here x dy becomes theta y, right? But when it comes to the Legendre's, this ax plus b into dy, and this becomes a into theta y. Okay, so the coefficient of x వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ before theta. అదే if you are looking for ax plus b into d square y square, then this will give you a square into theta minus 1 into y. Okay, anyway, let us solve this problem so that things will be clear. So initially we need to take 2x plus 1 equal to e power z. So this gives us that z equal to ln of 2x plus 1. Right. So now, so we know d, it means derivative with respect to x, and we will also write theta, it means derivative with respect to z, and then we need to write what happens to this 2x plus 1 into dy. So this 2x plus 1 into dy, which actually becomes 2 into theta y, and the other one 2x plus 1 whole square d square y becomes 2 square into theta minus 1 into y. Okay, so now we will substitute everything in the equation. So first let's rewrite the equation here. So that is 2x plus 1 whole square into d square y minus 2 times of 2x plus 1 into dy minus 12, minus 12 equal to 6x. Fine. So if it is, I hope there is a typo here, it's supposed to be 12y. Okay, but let's do one thing, let us consider 12 only. So if I consider it as just 12, since there is no involvement of y, you better bring it to the other side. Okay, in case అది typo అయితే ఇక్కడ 12y అయి ఉండాలి, but why should we change? Let us consider the same. So I'm rewriting it as 6x minus means it becomes plus 12. Okay, so now let's substitute things here. So which is 2 square into theta minus 1 into y minus 2 times of, this is 2 theta y, and that equals 6x plus 12. Yeah, so this one 4 theta square minus 4 theta, yeah, this is also minus 4 theta, and the total of y that equal to 6x. Oh, see here we need to change this x in terms of z. Sorry, that I have to do. Okay, so what is x here? So to know x, yeah, here you see that we have taken 2x plus 1 equal to e power z. So from this we can rewrite like 2x equal to e power z minus 1. Yeah, and so if you want x, this is e power z minus 1 by 2. Okay, so now here in place of x we need to write e power z minus 1 by 2 plus you anyway have 12. Okay, if you simplify that, so here you'll have 3 e power z, and you'll have minus 3 plus 12, that gives you 9. Okay, so now we need to solve this. So let me, yeah, so now we simplify this. Finally we have 4 theta square minus 8 theta of y equal to 3 e power z plus 9. Okay, then how do we solve it now? First we will write the auxiliary equation. So what is it? So that is 4r square minus 8r equals 0. I hope you can see that this is r times, yeah, you can take 4r common, so you'll have r minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore what are the roots now? R equal to 0 is one root and r equals to 2 is one more root. So therefore say r equal to 0 gives us e power 0z. It means that gives you e power 0z, it means that gives you 1. Yeah, and r equal to 2 is e power 2z. E power 2z, it means this one e power z whole square. But what is e power z? E power z is actually 2x plus 1 whole square. So that we have to write. Anyway, so let me write it as complementary function. So therefore the complementary function is c1 into e power 0z plus c2 into e power 2z. So this equals c1 plus c2 into, now e power z, it means you know that is 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is the complementary function. Now let's go for finding particular integral. So for that what will you do? So the particular integral equal to 1 over 4 theta square minus 8 theta. So this acting on 3 e power z plus 9. And this will be, it's easy because e power z you have, so directly you can put theta equal to 1, and this 9 you can see it as e power 0z, or let me write one step. So this is 4 theta square minus 8 theta, this is 3 into e power z plus the same thing 4 theta square minus 8 theta, this is 9 into e power 0z. Okay, so the first one is easy. So 3 into e power z by 4 into 1 square minus 8 into 1 plus, but the second one we can't directly put 0 here because we are getting 0 in the denominator. So for that what shall we do? We'll multiply with z and we will differentiate the denominator. The derivative is 8 theta minus 8 into 9 of e power 0z. So this will be 3 e power z by negative 4 plus, I hope now we can keep 0. So 9 into e power 0z by, this is 8 times of 0 minus 8. So finally the particular integral minus 3 by 4 times of e power z, and this is minus 9 by 8 or 9z by 8. E power 0z anyway 1. Okay, and if we convert in terms of x, so if we write it in terms of x, this is minus 3 by 4 times of e power z, it means 2x plus 1, minus 9 by 8 into z, it means ln of 2x plus 1. So this is the particular integral. So finally I hope we can write the general solution. So what is the general solution? So therefore the general solution is y equal to c1 plus c2 into 2x plus 1 whole square plus the particular integral. So the particular integral is actually minus 3 by 4 of 2x plus 1 minus 9 by 8 into ln of 2x plus 1. Okay, so that's it. This is how you are going to solve a Legendre's equation. Alright, so the only thing you need to make sure here is you need to take this entire expression as e power z. Okay, and when you write 2x plus 1 d times of y, that becomes 2 times theta y. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అనేది ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ స్క్వేర్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది. సో అదొకటి మైండ్లో పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఐ హోప్ ద సొల్యూషన్ ఈస్ క్లియర్ టు యూ. యా, ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్.